Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve 30 questions again from serving. That is part 2. In previously we have done already 30 questions, so we'll move forward from 31 to 60 today. So first question. The cross staff is an instrument used for setting out the right angle. Normal tension is that pull which neutralize the effect of pull and sag. Which of the following is not used for measuring the perpendicular offset? Optical squares, steel tape and cross staff are used, but line ranger are not used. If the length of the chain is found to be short on testing, it can be adjusted by straightening the links. The maximum tolerance in a 20-meter chain is plus minus 5 mm. For accurate work, the steel band should always be used in preference to chain because the steel band is practically inextensible and it not liable to kink when it used. The length of the chain is measured from outside of one handle to the outside of another handle. Select the incorrect statement. The true meridian at different places are parallel to each other. The true meridian at any place is not variable. The true meridian covers to the point northern hemisphere. The true meridian at different places are parallel to each other. According to me, if the true bearing of the AB is 269 degree 30 minutes, then the azimuth of the AB line 269 degree and 30 minutes is comes on the, if we draw the quadrant, for example north, east, west, south, so it will come on 1, 2 and 3 line this part, and the azimuth is just here, just little bit down, so it's approximately 90 degree and 30 minutes. Okay, 90 degree and 30 minutes. Next, the prismatic compass, the magnetic needle and the graduated circle do not move with the box. For a line, the fore bearing of AB and the back bearing of AB differ by 180 degree. Local attraction in compass surveying may exist due to presence of magnetic substances near the instrument. If the quadrilateral bearing of a line is north 25 degree west, then the whole circle bearing of the line, it's nothing but like that, north, south, east, west and 25 degree northwest. That means here something here the line will be lie, and the whole circle bearing we always measure from true north to the line, so it's approximately 270, and then 25 we have minus here, so 330 will be the correct answer. If the fore bearing of the line AB is 35 degree and that of the line BC is 15 degree, then the included angle between the line is 160 degree. How? For example, here is line AB 35 degree, it goes up because it's a fore bearing, and 15 degree and that of line BC 15 degree, it's point A and B is again goes to C point and it's 15 degree. 15 degrees again first quadrant, so it is 15 degree and here it is 35 degree. Okay, so we got 160 degree. If the quadrilateral bearing system, a whole circle bearing is 290 degree and 30 minutes, so it lies on this north, south, east, west, it lies on this quadrant, and the whole circle bearing is 293 degree and 30 minutes, so it lies in this way, north and west, northwest, and we calculate 360 degree minus 293 degree and 30 minutes, so we got 66 degree and 30 minutes. The prismatic compass and the surveyor compass give whole circle bearing WCB of line and the quadrilateral bearing for of the line respectively. The horizontal line between the true meridian and the magnetic meridian at a place is declination. A magnetic declination shows that the magnetic meridian is to be negative declination. That means true meridian is decline west side, that is negative. Either if it declines east side, then it will be positive. Negative is from western side. If the magnetic bearing of the sun at a place at the noon of the southern hemisphere is 167 degree, the magnetic declination at that place is 30 degree east. The graduation in prismatic compass are inverted upright and the clockwise having 0 degree, so are inverted and run clockwise having 0 degree at south. Option A will be right. A gate cap is fitted with a prismatic compass. The following bearing were observed while traversing with a compass. There is the values, some observation line are given here, fore bearing and back bearing. So which of the station is affected by local station? So it is affected by C and D, because we find the difference between fore bearing and back bearing, and if we got 180 degree, the difference between the back bearing and fore bearing, if 180 degree, then the station point or then the line is free from local attraction. The temporary adjustment of the prismatic compass is, first we do centering, then second we do leveling, then we do focusing the prism. So option B will be the right answer. Which of the figures shows in 15 degree and 2.3 represent figure 2.3 represent the correct graduation in a surveyor compass? According to this book, the answer is D. Theodolite is an instrument used for measuring both an horizontal and vertical angles. The process of turning the telescope about the vertical axis in horizontal plane and vertical axis is known as swinging. If a theodolite is specified by size of the theodolite is specified by the diameter of the lower plate. Which of the following is not function of leveling it? To support the main part of the instrument, to attach the theodolite to the tripod, to provide a mean for leveling the theodolite. So none of the above. If the lower clamp screw is tightened,